Hi there! Today we are going to be reviewing how to analyze a paired passage. Paired passages are those passages that have not one, but two different selections for you to read. You also have two sets of questions that relate to each passage separately, and you have a third set of questions that ask you to compare and contrast both passages assigned. Paired passage or not, you can still use proofs to make sure that you are analyzing the passage and the questions to the best of your ability. In order to tackle that paired passage, you will start with passage 1 and be sure to follow the proved steps. This means you're only looking at the first passage and you are only looking at the questions that apply to the first passage. So don't go past that first set of questions. You will make sure to preview the questions, marking those key words and making a pat or pay attention to list. You will then read and be sure to highlight and annotate using those hashtags throughout the passage, looking for the things you put on your pat list. Once you've finished reading and annotating, you will then go and answer the questions, being sure to omit the ridiculous and distractor answers, being sure to verify your answer for each question in the passage, and being sure to write a statement to justify your answer for each question. After knocking out passage 1, you will then move on to passage 2. Make sure you use those proved strategies again, only focusing on the second passage. Make sure you look at those questions to preview and highlight keywords. Make sure you read passage 2 and annotate as you go. And then once you have finished, you can go and answer those questions by omitting, verifying, and writing a statement to justify and prove your answer. Last but certainly not least, we have the paired part of the passage. The third set of questions ask for you to compare and contrast various parts of passage 1 and passage 2. While you do not need to go reread all of each passage, it would be beneficial for you to still use that proved strategy. So here you're going to highlight those keywords in the questions, and you are going to omit, verify, and give a statement to ensure you have analyzed not one, but two passages to answer each question. Once you have done this, you can hit that stopping point. You have now completed all three sets of questions, having used proofs